Good evening once more. So this is a review of product ukulele lessons for beginners. So it's like a smallish guitar. So most of these music ones, they're all click bank trusted secure, which means 60-day refund. But this is the first one that actually got a short video, so I think so knows what he's doing and is featured on these um, syndications really. So once you buy it, you can sign in to use it. So it's ukulele lessons for beginners. So let's see how this works. It's a really short video and we'll come back in a few minutes. So that's it. So his experience was it wasn't fun learning the instrument and he's making it. So how could you really dispute that not being any good? It's fun and you learn to play it and it's step by step videos and it'll be easy to follow. So I can't really say anything bad about it. And here's some of the reviews, which sometimes I don't pay attention to them, but what it's offering is more important. So yeah, it's good practice. It's quick videos, a fun teacher, and then there's more reviews. So let's take a look at the price. So it's just $67, but you do get to try it out for 2 months. If you didn't like it, send it send it back. So that's it. And here's click here to get lessons to get it. Which, if you want to learn this instrument, I'd highly recommend you do. It seems really good. But if you're also looking for an online business, it's a really special one. Take a look in the description as well, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.